Hello, guys, once again. So I'm in a place where I came to meet a specialist that is in charge of mixtures, as in selecting mixtures. So we can see right here, I'm in this wonderful 3D printed security house. Now this is an environment. We can see that's the entrance, and then that's the security house. We can see it was totally 3D printed, and it was printed with different mixtures, the different layers. Now there's a step to go up. We can see there's a step to go up. This is around the home. We can see, right, this is around the 3D print. We can see a little bit design going on right there, like they did some little bit crafted design. And then on top there is like a kind of watch tower, or watch, where someone could, a security can look over the territory. And then there is a little entrance here. I don't know if I'm going to show you. Yeah, there's a little entrance here at the, it's kind of windy today, but I'm trying my best to get everything live. There's an entrance here. We can see there's an entrance here. So it's just an entrance, just a small, like as I said, is a security booth. There's an entrance, and that's it. Boom, we're here. It's warm in right here. It's tiled. There's a bed space, and then there's a place to hang your clothes, sit, watch TV. There's everything. The electricity is going on there, the security, whatever, TV. And I mean, it's really warm here, guys. You can see that it's 3D printed. It's just looking so nice. It's 3D printed. You can see it's really hard rock and solid and all the way up. So today I'm gonna speak with a specialist, and he's gonna tell me about it all. So yeah, that's me right here at the stand. Really nice. You can see the windows there. Wow, I really love this. I want to just go a little bit so we can get a full view of the house. That's it. That's it. I'm going around. That's it. You can see it right here. That's it. It's just, I mean, it's really super. It's really super. That's it. Okay, I'll be adding this